Hi guys, hope you are doing cool. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this slipcase box type of packaging for your long wallets. The materials you need for this project are all here. You need a roller to flatten the edges, a stitch marker for some of the edges, then you need your stylus for grooving the edges. You need two types of cutter. You can use one, any one that works for you. Then you need a paper glue, a masking tape, and an awl, and also a transparent frame for this window. First thing you have to do is to print out the template. I put link in the description where you can download the template for free. So you have to print out the template. From there, then you go on to make your custom package look nice like this and presentable. So the first thing I will do is to arrange the templates, then start cutting. Also, don't forget that you need a paperboard like this. This one is 270 grams per meter square paperboard. So the template looks like this. This is the first page that shows how the box looks. Then you have this second page. You have to join this template with this place that there is arrows. So that is what I'm going to do right now. So let's start. First I have to cut this template based on this line. Then I have to join them, making sure that the lines align. I have to use masking tape to hold them. Next is to transfer it on our paperboard. First, you have to open these thumb holes. For it I use my sacral hole punch. Just put it. I bore it to make sure it's at the center. Then I use my mallet. This is done. Then I use my awl to point out the points where I need to make cutouts. Now we've cut out the slipcase. Next step is to start grooving the folding parts. For that I use a ballpoint stylus. Looking at the template and following the points you've marked with your awl, then you have to make grooves for the folding parts. So the next step is to put my logo. For that, I will be using a hot foil implant heat transfer method to place my logo, as you can see from this sample. So now I have to press a little bit hard, not too much strength, but just a tap to press the logo. After pressing my logo on the box, the next step is to cut out the inner backing for the window. For this, I'm using a lighter paperboard. This is about 200 grams per meter square. So this goes at the back of the package to hold the plastic film in place. After that, the next is to cut out the plastic film. Now we got the plastic film cut out. The next step will be to attach it to the slipcase. To do this, I use a double-sided tape. Then carefully place the transparent film. Then the backing goes to cover everything up. Use a paper towel to wipe out the excess glues from the sides, just to make sure everything is neatly done. And use your ruler to roll everything in place. Now allow it for some time to dry up before you start folding it. After some minutes, it's now time to start folding. First, you have to fold this flap in. and use my glue to hold it in place. Now you can see after gluing the parts together, you can see how the strip box came out. Everything nice, smooth, looking sharp. Now is to set it aside to dry for some minutes. Now we are done with the strip casing. The next step is to make the inner casing box. So the same process we followed cutting out the pattern for the strip case. We first cut this pattern based on the line. Now we have our inside casing. Next is to start grooving the folding parts. After marking the grooves, the next step is to use your stitch marker, leather stitch marker, or even when you are sewing, you also use this sometimes. You use it to perforate these external flaps that we fold inside, and then the corners. These areas need to be much flexible to fold because they fold inside the pattern. So I just press the roll, give it a one-time run. Now we are good to go. We start by folding all the parts that need to be folded. Run it down with your roller. Watch what I will do with this perforated flap. Fold it outside. Then the corner flaps, watch how I fold them. They move inside. That's why we perforated them, so that they will be very flexible to move inside. I'll use my boom folder to make sure everything is neatly done. Now the inner casing is done. You can see how it fits. Now you can package your long wallet in such a nice way that is presentable, and your customers will love it. So that is how to make a slipcase box type of packaging. Thank you for following me throughout the video. It's a lengthy one, but I managed to explain as much as I can. I will put the link where you can download this pattern in the description. It's free. I'm not charging for it. You can modify the pattern any way you want, any size you want. Thank you once more for following me through the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If it's helpful to you, share with your friends. It might be helpful to them too. Thank you.